So we've got support area over here. We drag this across. As you can see, we've got a support area over here as well. And if you want to, you could even say we've got a inverted head and shoulders, right? So you've got the first leg, you've got the head or inverted head, and you've got the second shoulder or the second leg. So we should essentially get involved with the movement that pushes price up to give us the third leg before price decides to come back down to retest the neckline before going higher. That's what this price action should do in the forthcoming days or even weeks, potentially months as well. But for the time being, obviously, we're just looking at our higher time frame to give us our overall direction for the trade as well. Monthly time frame, as you can see, we are in a bit of a consolidating market. However, because we're entering on the 4 hour time frame and we're looking for the setups on the daily, we don't need to worry too much about the monthly time frame, because again, our target on the daily time frame is pretty much further away from where the monthly resistance is, including the weekly resistance, which would also be down here, for example, right? So weekly we're consolidating, sorry, monthly we're consolidating, weekly we are bullish, and daily we are also bullish as well. So that gives us a confluence to go for longs unless price decides to break below the daily time frame. If it does, then we will no longer be looking for setups because the correction would have been too strong in comparison to the daily impulse. So we will no longer be looking for a setup like that. But for the time being, as you can see, we've already got our two confluences. So the daily, we've got our impulse and correction, which is also bullish, and then we've got the weekly time frame, which is also bullish.